1957 Thunderbird Raven Black with a new black and white interior with the Correct Embossments, gorgeous black paint, fully loaded with every power accessory available from Ford Motor Company on Thunderbirds in 1957. It's got a previously rebuilt 312, 245 horsepower Thunderbird Special V8. The odometer on this car is 528 miles. She has the Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, Ford Swift Sure power brakes, Ford's Masterguide power steering, the 4-way power seat and power windows, and they all work well. Thunderbird AM-FM with dual speakers. It's got the Ford accessory dress-up kit, tinted glass accessory, black seat belts, Thunderbird floor mats, the Ford accessory backup light system, the Ford's accessory see-clear windshield washer system, real Thunderbird wire wheels, and Radial Wide whitewall tires. I really like how this little car drives since we have went through her. Sweet little car all over, Raven Black 57.